Ever heard of Temu? If you've been scrolling through your TikTok or Instagram feeds, chances are you've stumbled upon this rising star in the e-commerce world. Temu's been making waves with its heavy promotion and clever affiliate marketing tactics. But what's all the hype about? Hi, welcome back to the channel, where you will find tips, tutorials, and hacks about how to make money online. So, Temu is an AliExpress alternative that's not only cheap but also boasts faster shipping times. That's Temu in a nutshell. But here's the kicker. While it's a fantastic platform for snagging great deals, dropshipping on Temu isn't exactly straightforward. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of Temu dropshipping. We will navigate through tricky refund policies that pop up when you place multiple orders, and you will get smart solutions for that. Also, you will get solutions to another burning question, which is, do consumers bother to compare prices before making a purchase? Or are they content as long as your product is competitively priced with fast shipping? But first, let's uncover the secrets behind Temu's skyrocketing success. With its quirky, creative, and downright fun products, Temu has captured the hearts and wallets of consumers everywhere. But how did they manage to become a powerhouse in such a short span of time? Stick around, folks, as we unravel the mystery behind Temu's meteoric rise to the top. So, let's jump in. Temu burst onto the scene back in September 2022, owned by PDD Holdings, and yes, what a fantastic start. It's simply impressive. I am talking a cool 15 billion in estimated revenue for the first quarter of 2023. That's some serious cash. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Temu quickly snagged the spotlight, earning the title of the international Amazon. Impressive, right? If you've checked out their website, and I'm sure many of you have, you'll notice something familiar. A lot of their products? Yeah, you guessed it, they're straight off AliExpress. But here's the twist. Temu steps up the game with higher quality images. And trust me, that's a game changer. Better images mean better success rates in testing, and even bigger scalability for your products. Another great thing about Temu is its navigation, which is believed to be far superior to AliExpress. Seriously, doing product research on Temu takes you way less time than it used to on AliExpress. The way they've organized their site, with categories and a new arrivals section that AliExpress got rid of, makes it so much easier for you to find what you're looking for. So yeah, using Temu for research saves you a ton of time compared to AliExpress. Temu is packed with all sorts of discounts, but here's the real showstopper. Their 90-day return policy is what truly hooks everyone in. Now, before discovering the exact method and tips about how exactly to dropship with Temu, let's first explore how to find trending and winning products to sell. Seriously, this platform is a goldmine of cool and unique stuff that's bound to turn heads. From fireworks-style lights to magnetic measuring spoons, Temu's got all the wow factor innovative gadgets in almost all product categories. But here's the thing, not every product is a winner. You need to have a couple of rules in place. First off, the product should solve a problem. Secondly, it's got to have that X factor, something that makes it stand out from the crowd. Take for example, this nifty car washing gadget. It ticks all the boxes, practical, money-saving, and it's got the trending factor as summers are about to come. Also, another way of approach is, you should focus on untapped products, ones that haven't been scaled or tested by competitors. This strategy allows for the best margins. Let me walk you through it. Take this patriotic tie, for example. With July 4th around the corner, it's a prime candidate for your store. After identifying a potential winner, the next step is crucial: price comparison. By right-clicking the main image and searching AliExpress by image, you can find the same product at a potentially lower price. This is where the real magic happens. Despite the slight price difference between Temu and AliExpress, sourcing through a private agent often yields better deals. Plus, faster shipping adds to the appeal of Temu. Temu's extensive product range, coupled with price comparisons, can lead to lucrative opportunities for dropshipping. One feature you'll love is the new arrivals section, which showcases recently uploaded items. Each category is so organized that it makes navigation and product hunting easy and smooth. Stick around as we are going to explore the exact process of how to dropshipping with Temu. It's about to get exciting. So, let's break it down and see if we can dropship with Temu. Here is the thing, Temu doesn't support dropshippers straight off the bat. But does that mean it's game over for dropshipping with Temu? Not necessarily. I have got a workaround that just might do the trick. Here's what you can do. First up, find a product you believe will knock it out of the park. We're talking about finding a real winner here. Once you've got the gem, fulfill the initial orders, say, the first 25 to 100 through AliExpress. This is your chance to prove that the product is a hit and there's a real demand for it. Now, here comes the risky part. You can estimate the number of orders you'll get in the coming month and place a bulk order from Temu, shipping it all to your place. You'll need to unpack everything, store it, and then repack and ship it out to customers. Yep, it's a bit of a hassle, but hey, if it means better margins and faster shipping, it might just be worth it. But wait, there's another option. Instead of shipping it to your place, send that bulk order over to a third-party logistics company like ShipBob, for example. They'll handle the warehousing, shipping, and even custom packaging for you. Sure, it comes with an extra cost, but it could really step up your game in terms of customer service and branding. Now, let's talk numbers. If the product is significantly cheaper on Temu, the risk might just pay off big time. Remember, business is all about taking calculated risks, so why not take the plunge and see where it leads you? Who knows, you might just hit the jackpot. Now, on to last section. I am going to provide solutions to most asked questions by all of you. Alright, let's tackle a common concern. Why do multiple orders sometimes get refunded or even lead to account bans? Well, here's the deal. Temu might limit the number of orders for certain products per account. So, if you're ordering multiple products for different clients and it triggers their detection systems, bam! They might see it as dropshipping, which they're not cool with. As a result, orders could get cancelled, accounts banned, and refunds issued. It's all about Temu's policies to prevent what they see as dropshipping activity. The solution? Source products to your address or through a third-party company to kickstart your dropshipping venture. Keep it simple, keep it effective. Second, do consumers bother checking for cheaper prices before or after buying the product? Or are they fine as long as it's reasonably priced with faster shipping? Here's the scoop on consumer behavior. Most folks don't usually compare prices because, let's face it, it's time-consuming. What really matters is how you market your products. Stand out from the crowd by using SEO tactics, getting creative with product names and descriptions, and telling a story that resonates with your customers. Show them the why behind your dropshipping venture. Do promote your products on social media and show them the real stuff with real visuals. Before leaving, why not I tell you a pro tip on how to keep updated with promotional stuff and ads you do for your products. An AI innovative platform, EcommerceBot.com, will be your partner in this. Its Meta and Google Analytics through AI optimization will serve the purpose. And its chatbot service is beyond amazing. Rest and let AI do the magic for you in promoting and getting clients for your store. So, here is the proper step-by-step guide to dropshipping with Temu. Do utilize this super cheap and fastest in shipping platform. Link is in the bio and in descriptions. If you have an experience at dropshipping with Temu, do let us know in the comments. If you have any questions, do comment and we will answer that for you. See you in the next video. Until then, keep hustling.